we want to test a starter. This is a starter, the one that has coils, and this is the rotor. So it has a hull sensor and its wiring. This is a hull sensor or a rotor position sensor. So this is what you want to test. Test 3 wire endings, the coil. Reset our multimeter. See the readings. You can see the readings. So this is working perfectly. It's working properly. You can also test the hull sensor. Remember, the hull sensor is working properly. So the hull sensor is working properly. Also the stator. Let me show you the rotor. This is the rotor. So it's fitted. Now this is the complete direct drive motor. So from an LG washing machine. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.